Greetings, fellow ant enthusiasts. Here we are, having a look at a Myrmecocystus Mimicus colony. This here being a purpleback variety. Workers seen on the surface, searching for bits of food, fruit fly, or nectar. Below the surface, the workers tend to the pupae on the left side of the chamber, the warmer side. Sliding over to the water tower, they keep larvae with other workers who are there to maintain the nest. Below a ceiling of repletes as seen here. The large, orangish purple queen, the purpleback queen herself, seen there, surrounded by her repletes. They act as food storages for the colony, providing food when there is none to be found on the surface. They are a desert-dwelling specialist species. That's all for now. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more, friends. Happy hunting.